Welcome to Coding with Arduino for young innovators. In this video, we will program the Ettronics Hightech Robotic Car we assembled in the previous video to operate as an obstacle avoidance robot. If you have not assembled your own Ettronics Hightech Robotic Kit, you can find the assembly video on our YouTube channel. And if you would like to purchase the kit, you can use the link in the description of this video, send us an email or chat with us directly. In this video, we will use an Android smartphone to program the robot, and in a subsequent video, we will also show how to use a computer to program the robot. To program the robot using your Android smartphone, open your phone, navigate to the Google Play Store app, search for Arduino Droid, select it, and click Install. Now that the Arduino Droid app is downloaded and installed, the next thing to do will be to connect the phone to the robot. To do that, we will make use of the USB OTG adapter. If you have the Ettronics Hightech Arduino kit, the USB OTG adapter is included in the kit. This is the USB OTG. I will connect it to the phone. It is connected. You have to make sure it is firmly connected. And this is the Type-C USB cable we will use to program the Arduino Nano board. I will connect it to the Arduino Nano and also connect it to the phone via the USB OTG adapter. And that is all. Now, if you look at the Arduino board, you can see that it has come on, and the motor driver is also on. Our robot is now connected to our phone. The next thing to do is to set up the board. So I will click here and click Settings, click Board Type, click Arduino. So because the board we are using is an Arduino Nano, I will come here and select this one, this Arduino Nano W/Atmega 328-/CH340G. I will select it. So we have selected the board, and the next thing to do now is to copy the code and paste here, compile the code, and upload the code. So to do that, I will go to my browser and go to Ettronics Hightech page. Okay, it is open. Then I will navigate to Ettronics Hightech Robotic Kit. I will click Ettronics Hightech Robotic Car Kit Tutorials, and then I will click this tutorial. I will scroll down to copy the code. This is the code. I will copy this code. So I will go back to Arduino Droid, and I will long press the editor screen, and then I will paste as plain text. And this is our code. Okay, Then I will compile. To compile the code, I will click here. It says confirmation, the sketch is modified. Save sketch before compiling. I will click yes. So it's compiling. Compilation finished. Then I will click upload. So I will click here to upload. Now, once I click upload, I will hold my robot, because the moment the code is uploaded, the car will start moving. So I will click upload. It says allow Arduino Droid to access USB serial. I'll click OK. Then I will hold the car, and you can see it is uploaded. So I can click here to remove that, and you can see our robot is working. So let's go outside now and test our robot. Alright, you now know how to program the Ettronics Hightech Robotic Car to operate as an obstacle avoidance robot. In the next video, we will program the robot to operate as an obstacle following robot. I am Instructor Izu. See you in the next video. Bye.